Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Nintendo Switch. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a large rectangle. We'll start with a line across at the top. Now from the ends, let's bring it down. And a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and we're going to draw a border along the edges. And then one more border inside, a little bit thicker this time. Now that we have the shape of the screen, let's move to the sides and let's add the controllers. Let's start from the top corners and let's draw a small line out. And the same thing at the bottom. Now from the top, we're going to curve it down. And then from the bottom, let's do the same thing, curving it up. And then close it off on the sides with a vertical line. Now let's hop back to the top and let's draw a small line up. Now let's hop down to the sides here and let's draw a small line out. And then we're going to connect it with a curve down. Now on the top left, let's add another button by drawing two lines up and a line across the top. Now that we have the shape of the Nintendo Switch, let's move in and let's draw the buttons. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a small rectangle at the top here. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a large circle. And then another circle inside. Now in this outer ring, let's draw a line up at the top and one down at the bottom. And then lines out from both sides. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the D-pad. Let's start with a small circle. And then two more underneath. And then one at the bottom in the center again. Now let's add the directional arrows inside. At the top, let's draw a triangle going up and one going down in the bottom circle. And let's do the same thing going out to the left and the right. Now let's hop down underneath on the right and let's draw a small square. And add a circle inside. And that's it for the left controller. Now let's hop over to the right side. Let's start by drawing a plus sign at the top. Let's draw a line up, over, and down. Now let's do the same thing out to the left and the right. And then one going down to close it off. Now let's move down and let's draw 4 buttons, starting with a circle in the center here. Then 2 underneath. And then 1 more underneath in the center. Now in the top circle, let's draw the letter X, a Y on the left, the letter A on the right, and the letter B at the bottom. Now top underneath and let's draw a larger circle. And then let's draw another one inside. And then in the outer ring, let's draw a line from the top and the bottom, and the same thing from the sides. Now top underneath and let's draw one more button by drawing a small circle underneath on the left. And then inside, we're going to draw a house by drawing a triangle and a square underneath. And that's it for the switch. Lastly, this part's optional, but we're going to draw a face on the inside. Let's start with 2 circles. And color both of the eyes in black. And then in the center, let's draw a small curve for the mouth. And that's it for the Nintendo Switch. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!